Hi, hello, namaskara friends. Now in this video, let us study about Newton forward interpolation formula. That is, find the suitable interpolation formula for a value f of 2.5 for the data. The data is given as x as well as f of x. X is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5. F of x values are 14.5, 16.3, 17.5 as well as 18. These are nothing but first value is nothing but x naught value. This is x1 value. This is x2 value. This is x3 value. Similarly, f of x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು y not y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. That is nothing but y is equal to f of x. Therefore, this value, first value is nothing but y naught value. This is y1 value. This is y2 value. Similarly, this is y3 value. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ suitable interpolation formula we have to find. They have not told use the forward or use the backward. There are two types of interpolation formula, that is Newton forward interpolation formula as well as Newton backward interpolation formula. Now they have not told with respect to the forward interpolation formula. When they have not told, we have to find using these value, that is 2.5. ಈಗ 2.5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲೈಸ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, we have to check. That is, it lies between 2 and 3. Therefore, it lies between the first phase of the problem. If they have asked, that is f of 4.9 or 4.5, that lies between the second half of the phase. Therefore, this 2.5 lies between the first phase of the problem. Therefore, we have to use Newton forward interpolation formula. Before proceeding to the formula, now let us find the values. That is, we have to find the h value. H value is nothing but x1, that is x1 minus x0 is 1, x2 minus x1 is 1, x3 minus x2 is also 1. Therefore, these are nothing but the equal intervals. Therefore, h is nothing but 1. H is nothing but the step length. Next, we have to find the u value. Therefore, the u formula is nothing but x minus x0 divided by h. Therefore, now what is the value of x? X is nothing but we have to find this value. Therefore, this is nothing but the x value. X is 2.5 minus x0 we have already located, that is x0 is 2, divided by h value. H value we have already found, that is 1. Therefore, 2.5 minus 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 0.5. Therefore, u is equal to 0.5 as well as h is equal to 1. After finding the h value as well as u value, now we have to construct the difference table. Therefore, we have to construct the difference table. The difference table consists of, first we have to take the x value as well as y value. X value, f of x value, delta y, delta square y as well as delta cube y. Now take the x values. X values are 2, 3, 4 and 5. X values are 2, 3, 4 as well as 5. Similarly, f of x values ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ 14.5, 16.3, 17.5 as well as 18. They are nothing but 14.5, 16.3, 17.5 as well as 18. Next, to find the delta y table, that is nothing but this is y0, y1, y2 as well as y3. Now to find the delta y, we have to subtract y1 by y0, that is y1 minus y0. This value gives us 16.3 minus 14.5. The value is 1.8. Next, this is delta y0. Next, to finding a delta y1, that is nothing but this is y2, this is y1. Therefore, y2 minus y1 gives you the, that is 17.5 minus 16.3 gives you a value 1.2. This is delta y1. Next, to find the delta y2, that is 18 minus 17.5. We know that his answer is 0.5. These are the values of delta y, that is delta y0, delta y1, delta y2. Next, to find the delta square y, that is 1.2 minus 1.8. We get the answer as minus 0.6. This is delta square y0 value. Next value is delta square y1 value, that is nothing but 0.5 minus 1.2. That is nothing but minus 0.7. Next, this is nothing but delta square y naught value. This is a delta square y1 value. At last, we have to get the value of delta cube y. That is nothing but delta cube y naught value. That is minus 0.7 minus 0.7 minus of the minus 0.6. This becomes minus 0.7 minus into minus, it becomes plus 0.6. It becomes minus 0.1 is the answer. That is delta cube y. This is x naught value. This value is y naught. This value is delta y naught. This value is delta square y naught. This value is delta cube y naught. Box next we will compute these values in the actual formula. The formula for Newton forward interpolation formula is, that is y is equal to y naught plus u divided by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus u of u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 1 factorial 2 factorial, next is 3 factorial delta cube y naught. We have to stop here only because last value is nothing but delta cube y naught. In case ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ delta 4 y naught ಇದ್ರೆ u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power 4 of y naught. Next, this is the formula. Compute the values which we have already found. That is y naught. Y naught is nothing but 14.5. 14.5 plus u value. U value also we have calculated as 0.5. 0.5. Next, divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial we have known as 1 only. Next, delta y naught. Delta y naught andre namaga 1.8 into 1.8 plus u value. U value is 0.5. Next, 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. That is 2 only. This is 1 factorial 1. 2 factorial is 2. Next, delta square y naught. Delta square y naught is minus 0.6. Minus 0.6 plus u value 0.5. 0.5 minus 1. Next, 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial andre 3 into 2, that is 6. Delta cube y naught. Delta cube y naught is minus 0.1. Now 14.5 as it is plus 0.5 divided by 1 into 1.8. 0.5 into 1.8 we get the answer as 0.9 plus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1, that is minus 0.5 into 0.5 into minus 0.6, we get the answer as plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.5 minus 1 is minus 0.5. 0.5 minus 2 is minus 1.5. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, it becomes minus. That is minus of 0.0375. If you multiply these, we get answer as minus 0.0375 divided by 6. Next, 14.5 plus 0.9 plus 0.15 divided by 2, we get answer as 0.075 minus 0.0063. If you add this and subtract by this, we get the answer as 15.4687. Therefore, f of 2.5 value is 15.4687. Thank you.
Yeah.